Hey traders, friends, family, fans from around the world, welcome to January 2019. It's a new month and it's a brand new year. I'm very excited about what 2019 holds for each and every one of you. And as you all know, every single month, Real Life Trading celebrates a new theme where we have some new challenges. In 2019, we're actually going to be doing 3 challenges every single month. Those challenges are going to be real life and trading related. Kind of crafty, I know. So the real is going to be real physical, real tough, real exertion. So it's going to be a physical challenge, and then the trading obviously is kind of self-explanatory, and the life is what we've been doing for the last few years, is really finding something small, something specific that you can do in your day-to-day life that just enriches your life and the lives of those around you. So this particular month is Extra Income Month. That's the theme for January. So before we get into the life challenge, the real challenge is going to be to do 10 push-ups starting today. So today is January 1st, 2019, and I want you to increase those 10 push-ups by 10 every single day until the end of the month. Now, at the end of the month, you'll be surprised at how many push-ups you're actually doing, but that's going to be the goal, as you're probably not going to be able to do them in one session. It's going to be a nice, physical, real exertion of energy, but that is going to be my goal and my challenge. I'm sure you'll probably see myself knock out a few of those and some of the stock market updates from time to time this particular month. The life portion, the life challenge of this particular month, so again, there's going to be 3 challenges this month. The life challenge is going to be, since this is Extra Income Month, I want you to read a book that has the word money in the title of the book. Since it's Extra Income Month, I want you to learn and create a mindset about money and figure out how to grow your bank account. Number 1, grow yourself. You'll grow your bank account. In order to do that, books are a phenomenal and fantastic way to grow your mind. So here's some examples. You could be doing Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins, You're Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero, Money Grows on Trees. You could also do Money and the Meaning of Life by Jacob Needleman. Your Money in Your Mind is another one. So those are 5. There's a lot of other books that have the word money in the title, but what I can assure you is if you do want to make more money in your life, which you all do, you need to study it. So money. Read a book this month with the word money in the title, and feel free to share with me which book you ended up reading. Number 3 is going to be the trading challenge. Now this is something that we have not done before, and I figured since we are a trading company after all, we should have a trading challenge for every single person who's watching this video. So the trading challenge for this month is going to be make at least 2 R's, which is, as most of you know, 2%. So make at least 2% this month trading bearish fades, which is going to be when a stock gaps up and you trade it down. My buddy Troy Beinhauer actually sent me a text message today. He did that on Canada Goose, ticker symbol GOOS. He made about 0.6 R's fading that yesterday as when he texted me. But anyway, just congratulations, Troy. But that doesn't count for January. So in January, the trading challenge will be for every single person who's out there to try to make 2 R's doing a bearish fade, which is again is a gap up and you're making money on the down move of that fade, filling the gap. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Those are your 3 challenges. You got push-ups, you got books, and you got bearish fades. I'm truly and exceptionally excited to see how well you do on these 3 challenges. There will be 3 more challenges every single month for this year, and there are so many opportunities for each and every one of you to make extra income this month. I'll be giving you tons of good value, a lot of good content, and at the end of the month, it is the open house of Real Life Trading, where I invite everyone in the entire world to be a part of our day trading room, where we look at the markets together, we trade, we talk, and we have an absolutely exceptional time. So, thanks for being here. You're absolutely amazing. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you. Bye.